Africa Content TV.
On youth empowerment and education in recognition of the need to develop and crystallize the potentials of our youth. We will continue to engage our youths positively by creating opportunities in technology, entrepreneurship, and vocational training. Most importantly, the government is committed to working with traditional rulers to ensure the safety of all citizens. I am very confident that the ongoing review of our constitution will actually provide roles, better roles, richer roles for traditional rulers in our governance. To the great people of Oyo, I urge you to rally behind your new Alaafin, support his vision, and uphold the values of peace, tolerance, and development. Let us remember the words of the late Alaafin Obalamidi Adeyemi III. A kingdom thrives when its people are united in purpose. To all the people of Oyo Kingdom, let us unite in purpose for the progress, for the development, and for the prosperity of Oyo Kingdom. For the Alaafin, you are on the threshold of history as successor to Oba Adeyemi III, who was one of the most influential and longest reigning monarchs in Yoruba history. His reign was a period of cultural renaissance, political influence, and socio-economic development of Oyo Town, Oyo State, and the entire Yoruba nation at large. He was the first custodian of Yoruba traditions and worked tirelessly to revive ancient festivals such as the Shango Festival, Oroyan Festival, the Isheshe Day, and the Ogun Festival, thus reinforcing Yoruba unique identity.